Welcome to DNA Auto House. We are a family run dealership based in the West Midlands, specialising in luxury and performance vehicles, all meticulously handpicked to ensure our customers are receiving the highest quality products out there on the market. Which today brings us to this stunning 2022 Range Rover D350 HSE, finished off in Charente Grey.
This Range Rover D350 HSE comes with a high desirable specification, including power-assisted soft closing doors, glass sliding panoramic sunroof, privacy glass, head-up display with traffic sign recognition, digital LED headlights with signature DRL and image projection, automatic access height, active damper technology system, all-wheel steering and lane keep assist. In addition, this comes with 20-way heated and ventilated electric front memory seats, heated and ventilated power recline rear seats, heated steering wheel, Apple CarPlay Android Auto, 3D surround view camera, park assist, Meridian 3D surround sound system, wireless device charging, adaptive cruise control with steering assist and blind spot assist. Cosmetically, this entirely benefits from gloss, grand black veneer and semi-Aniline Perlino leather seating and interior. Externally, this benefits from Charente Grey paint finish, gloss black alloys, black contrast roof and shadow exterior pack. This Range Rover D350 HSE comes with full service history, with the last being conducted in January 2024, having only covered 5,600 miles. One owner from new and in excellent condition internally and externally. This is a stunning individual example with a high factory specification. Full details and photos are over on our website. Any questions, please do not hesitate to ask. Contact details are below.